Hello my friends, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to replace your door handle on any car. But if you have a Hyundai Sonata or any Hyundai, it's the same procedure. If you see the setting like this, then yes, I will show you how to replace the handle. So junkyard, the LKQ, to pick up used parts. I need a used handlebar for a 2009 Hyundai Sonata. So I found one, and look what I did. Thinking that I had to take the door panel out, and I spent almost 45 minutes, and that's when I got to this hurdle here, and I was like, this thing is not going to work. Then I went back to the front, and I look, and that's when I realized that I can actually take the handle out. You see? Yeah. So it wasn't like this, but first is another one. You just pop this out, and then push this with the force, not violence, but push it back, pull it back, and then it comes out. Hello guys, we are several weeks later. So I ended up buying this on eBay for a total of $8. The one you saw that I attempted to buy at the junkyard, they wanted $25 for it. That was ridiculous. Everything is expensive now. So yeah, $8 on eBay, and then I've already have these. And so I'm just going to paint it. All right, so we are back 3 days later. I got this painted, and you can see the paint is close to this one here. So yeah, that's how it goes. But I have to take this part out, and it's quite simple, and it can be difficult too. So you have to do it like from here to snap it, and I have to be careful so I don't I don't break it. I have to be careful so I don't break it. But that's how it comes out. Well, it was too hard to remove with the plastic, so I used a screwdriver, and so I was able to pry it up. But I have to be careful so I won't snap the teeth. There we go, like that. So that's good. See this here? Yeah, you don't want to break. You don't want to break this, because if you break it, then it come loose. So now this is the handle, and so you see, from here you put that, and then you put it forward, move it forward. You see that? You see? So now, see, voila. See, that's the part that opens the door. See? Voila, it is fixed. So now I can just go ahead and put this back. I didn't paint this because I didn't know that I had to remove it, but well, I forgot. And so put it back slowly. There you go. It's in. Yeah, it's in. It's not going anywhere. So now, door can be open and closed. See? This is it. Fix the problem.